Welcome back. We're here at Davis Landing Bridge that carries East Main Street over Pratt's Brook here in Yarmouth, almost to Granite Street. So this particular bridge is quite heavily traveled, as we see, and it is fairly old. It was built in the 30s, and it has reached the end of its design life. We have received several reports from the Maine Department of Transportation that this particular bridge is in very poor condition and requires some replacement work fairly soon. It's interesting to note that DOT has ownership any bridge that's 20 feet or longer. However, this bridge is less than 20 feet, which means that it is owned by the municipality. So Yarmouth owns this bridge. While the state does inspect it for us, we do own the bridge and are responsible for any sort of capital work to it. The interesting thing that DOT can, by statute, post a bridge or even close a bridge if it's deemed unsafe. And so while this particular bridge is still considered safe, it is nearing the end of its life and does require replacement. This bridge was inspected in October of last year by DOT. At that time, DOT noticed that this bridge substructure is in very poor condition. Also, the bridge deck and the approaching guardrail are in poor condition and do not meet standards. Other areas that have concern are some of the wing walls have extensive spall and cracking that are limiting their structural integrity. There's also very large cracks in the easterly wing walls that have separated a bit from the abutments. So again, there are significant issues with this bridge that need to be addressed in the short term. So a couple of years ago, the town retained GEI consultants to help us work through this issue with replacing the bridge. So after much work with the town staff, the regulatory agencies, including the Army Corps of Engineers, the Maine DEP, and other U.S. Coast Guard and Maine Department of Transportation, GEI came up with a program for replacing this bridge using a precast concrete arch solution. So it has been very cost effective, and we anticipate this project will be a long-term 100-year solution to this bridge replacement. So GEI has come up with a 60% conceptual drawings and an opinion of probable cost of about $1.5 million to replace this bridge. That would include survey, engineering, and a contingency, as well as construction costs for the replacement of this bridge. Again, $1.5 million to replace it. From here, we'll be going to Cousins Island and be chatting about that project. So please stay tuned, and very soon we'll teleport over there. For more information on this project, please visit the town's website at www.yarmouth.me.us.